Imagine I told you that scientists just discovered an alien life signature on a planet not too far from Earth. That's correct. NASA's James Webb Telescope picked up something quite astonishing on Proxima b, an exoplanet nearby. It just might be evidence of intelligent life in the universe, attempting to send signals across the void. But what did they find exactly, and what makes it so important? To understand how we got here, let's take a closer look at what was expected to be the most advanced space observatory ever made by humanity, the James Webb Space Telescope. In fact, launched back in 2021, JWST was supposed to detect the faintest of signals from the farthest reaches of the universe. With its large 21-foot mirror and infrared sensors, the telescope has been critical in revealing details we could never have seen before. Its mission is simple, yet monumental: to assist us in further understanding the cosmos, from star formation through to the atmospheres of distant planets. Then, of course, there's this awesome tool that has now brought Proxima b into the limelight. Proxima b orbits Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun at 4.4 light-years away. That's the reason why Proxima b is so exciting. The exoplanet sits within the habitable zone of its star, where it may be warm enough for liquid water and potentially life. But then, while observing Proxima b, the James Webb Telescope picked up something they never expected to see: a steady glow emanating from the night side of the planet. Now, that might not sound terribly remarkable, but here's the kicker. The glow is pretty much exactly the kind of artificial lighting we would expect to be radiating from a city on Earth. Thus, imagine looking down toward Earth from space and seeing what the lights of major cities would look like, illuminating the dark side of our planet. That's essentially what Webb may have captured, except this isn't Earth, and these aren't man-made lights. The lights on Proxima b were constant and faint, which ruled out the possibility of them coming from natural sources like stars or cosmic radiation. Natural light-emitting phenomena strictly accompanying volcanic eruptions and auroras are usually quite irregular and unpredictable. On the contrary, this glow was fairly steady. This being the case, scientists could only speculate that what we might in fact be looking at is far more significant proof of intelligent life. The possibility of peering at city lights on an alien planet has substantially shaken the scientific world. But why Proxima b? Why was this planet a focus for the astronomers long before this discovery? As it would happen, Proxima b had always been an interesting candidate for life. This exoplanet is somewhat larger than Earth, its mass being about 1.17 times that of our planet. More importantly, it falls within the habitable zone, the so-called Goldilocks zone, where conditions could be just right for life to thrive. The temperature there might be just right for liquid water, and as we know, where there's water, there could be life. However, some serious drawbacks are attached to Proxima b. It orbits its star, Proxima Centauri, once in every 11 days, meaning it would have an extremely fast year. The planet is also tidally locked, such that one part of Proxima b always faces its star, while the opposite side remains in perpetual darkness. In this way, it becomes an extreme environment where one side can be scorching hot while the other stays frozen. Interestingly, the lights that the James Webb Telescope detected emanated from the dark side of the planet. It could well be that an ability to dwell in darkness, made possible by an advanced civilization, allowed it to thrive using technology for light. And if so, what other technologies might they have? These are now the questions that researchers seek to answer. Let's take a minute to consider what we might have here. If these lights are artificial, they will, in fact, be proof that we have just discovered intelligent alien life, something that scientists have been searching for decades. And not just simple microbial life either. We're talking about a technologically advanced civilization capable of producing artificial lighting on a planetary scale. For lights of such a number to be kept operative, enormous amounts of energy would be required. On Earth, to keep light in our cities, huge infrastructures of electricity, energetic plants, and distribution networks are needed. Could these Proxima b beings have developed similar technology? Maybe further still, harnessing energies in ways we can't yet comprehend? Which, of course, begs the question, What types of energy sources would they utilize? Have they discovered renewable energy far beyond our wildest dreams? Could they be tapping into their star's energy directly, similar in concept to the theoretical Dyson sphere? Such lights on Proxima b, if artificial, may be indicative that such a civilization not only is intelligent, but highly advanced, possibly even more so than us, having survived in such unfavorable conditions with an irradiation bath of solar radiation on a planet circling a volatile red dwarf star. Naturally enough, the scientific community is being very cautious. What a fantastic discovery this is, but let's just keep all options open before we leap to conclusions. There is always that improbable possibility that the glow on Proxima b may have a natural cause. Says one, maybe there are some kinds of bioluminescent organisms covering its surface, more or less like Earth's oceans glowing because of algae. Or maybe it's a geologic occurrence causing this steady glow. But here's the thing, no known natural process could explain the pattern and consistency of the light detected. None of the lights on Proxima b pulsed, flickered, or moved in a way that we might expect from natural causes. That's why many scientists are more inclined to think it's artificial light. Now that the discovery has been made, the most fundamental thing will be what comes afterward. Scientists are considering follow-up observations of Proxima b, not only with the James Webb Telescope, but with other advanced machinery already in construction, such as the extremely large telescope ELT and the Transitioning Exoplanet Survey Satellite, otherwise known as TESS. With these tools, they will be able to search for more signs, whether from the atmospheric composition or any radio signal from this planet. One of the biggest focuses of inquiry will involve the search for artificial radio signals, proof that a civilization living on Proxima b is trying to reach out to others. Also, given the availability of the planet's atmosphere, researchers would go ahead and make a deep probe into its searches for traces of industrial pollution, another possible indicator of advanced technologies. The latter discovery also puts a new twist on our place in the universe. For years, we've been asking this question, are we alone? With this new possibility of artificial lights on Proxima b, for the very first time, we may finally be close to that answer. If this were real, if we actually have found the proof of intelligent life, it would fundamentally change how we look at ourselves and the cosmos. Imagine what we might learn from a civilization that may be thousands or millions of years in advance of our own. What technologies might they share with us? The possibilities, quite literally, are endless. While the James Webb Telescope opened up a universe of mysteries, the lights at Proxima b are merely perhaps the start of something way bigger. Whether it be a teeming alien metropolis or some natural cause unheard of until now, one thing is for sure. The universe is far more mysterious and interesting than we thought. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.